Story time. Alright, notice this edge right here. Now, you see a little bit blacker there. This black mark right in there. Watch it. Oh, starting to get darker, more colorful, even bigger. Back here, camera's not picking up too well, but that's a somewhat purplish rainbow color. It's a lot of heat. Those are the crank bearings. Now let's move over to workbench. Alright. Getting some light reflection. But that's crank bearing, rod bearing, crank bearing. That's number 2. Can't tell exactly how scored it is, but you can see there's some heat. It's expected to be bad, but every one of these has a little bit more wear than it really should. And that was the back where the most heat was. Didn't translate into the crank too much, so that's good. But time to clean the shop.